All right, guys. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about something called pedigrees. Okay. So a pedigree is a diagram that shows the genetic relationships among individuals in a family, typically used to track the inheritance of specific traits or diseases. It is very, very similar to a family tree, but it just has more information than a family tree. And it talks about a specific trait that you're tracking. So this trait could be anything like um, eye color, it could be hair color in a particular family, it could be um, uh, having sickle cell anemia, it could be any trait that is passed on genetically. All right. Um, and a trait is very similar to a a pedigree is similar to a family tree, except that there's some minor differences. All right. The main differences is that a family tree is a chart that shows family relationships between members of a family. Like, for example, this is my grandfather, this is my sister, this is my cousin, my uncle, etc. All right. But a pedigree is all about tracking specific traits, all right, through a family. Like I said, like I mentioned before, things like sickle cell anemia, height, eye color, diseases that might pass through the family. All right, so this is the difference between a pedigree and a family tree. Okay, and pedigrees have some very specific symbols related to them. All right, males are always represented by squares. Okay, females are always represented by circles. And field symbols show individuals who exhibit a specific trait. So if you see a dark square or dark circle, that means that person has that trait. All right. Whenever you see a line between the two, a horizontal line, that represents mating. Those two people have mated. All right. Whenever you see a vertical line from parents to a horizontal line, that is their offspring. All right. And all diagonal lines show that a person is deceased. So whenever you see a diagonal line, that means a person is deceased. All right. And Roman numerals represent generations. Okay. Roman numerals represent the various generations of a family. So the first generation, second generation, third generation. Arabic numerals like these represent the birth order of siblings. So if your brother was born first, he might have a one dash uh, one next to him. All right. All right. Specific combinations of numerals like 2-3 uniquely identify each individual in the pedigree. Many pedigrees do not include numerals. All right. Some pedigrees don't have numerals at all. All right. So I want you guys to make sure you guys wrote all that down, write all that down, and then we'll move on. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Peace.